Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is April 19, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, we're going to see the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by 8.25 points right now to 23.45.5 per contract. Futures getting a nice little bit ahead of the opening bell. We'll see how it all plays out. Now, we have lots of earnings out here. Tons of companies will be reporting this week, next week, and the week after. So get ready. We'll get lots of earnings plays. But the first one we got to take a look at today is going to be Big Blue, IBM. Now, this is a pretty popular stock because Warren Buffett holds a ton of it. And what you're going to notice here is the stock right now trading at $160.45. So this stock is getting slammed, to say the least. And all we could do is look at it fall. But I'll have gap levels ready for us in the intraday stock chat room. We're getting close to our levels. So again, we will have gap levels posted up in the intraday stock chat room right at 9 a.m. So again, if you want to come over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. We'll have a nice gap level there for us. We've been having a great 2017 in the chat room, and we're going to look to keep that going, and IBM will be in play today. So stock really selling off sharply. It closed at 170, now trading at around 160.45. What can you say? But this is in play now. So again, we're going to try to make some money on this one, but it will be posted up in the intraday stock chat room a little bit later. Let's take a look at Lam Research. Ticker symbol is LRCX, and what you're going to see here is that this stock is doing the opposite. Closed at 127.43, now trading at 133.50. This is a pretty nice pop higher. I believe this is a new all-time high for Lam Research. Either way, stock is a little bit, overbought. It's in no man's land here. It's making a new high. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, there's not much you could do. You just let it go by, and we'll look at it for a level in the intraday stock chat room should a pattern appear. So again, we'll look at this on the charts a little bit later. Lam Research making new all-time highs. Let's take a look at Morgan Stanley. Yesterday we had a big sell-off in Goldman Sachs. Today Morgan Stanley doing the opposite here. Looks like they're getting a real good reaction to earnings. Stock closed at 41.21. Stock is trading at 42.31. Briefly got above $43, but again, that was on no volume very, very early. Stock right now is settling in around 42.38. We'll see how it plays once the opening bell rings. The big resistance level today is around 43 bucks. If it could get above 43 on a close, that would be a very, very good sign of strength for Morgan Stanley going forward. So we'll see how that plays out. Again, really it's 43.10. Needs to get above 43.10 on a closing basis today, daily chart close. That would be a sign of strength for Morgan. But either way, the stock is trading up. We'll try to find some levels for you in the morning here. Right now, what I'm going to say is that we'll see how it opens up, and we'll see where it goes. It's not that big of a gap, but nonetheless, we'll keep it on the radar, and we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. But I am seeing 42.90, pretty good resistance, and really 43.10, at least at the moment. Next up, we're going to take a look at Blackrock. BLK is the ticker symbol here. Again, this is another leading financial. This is the Goldman that nobody talks about. BlackRock right now trading at $383 a share. Basically closed right around here yesterday. So no real movement in the pre-market. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. We'll keep it on the radar. Let's take a look at TD Ameritrade. AMTD is the ticker symbol there. Stock right now is trading at $37.35. This is exactly where it closed. No pre-market activity, but we will keep it on the radar once the opening bell rings today. Let's take a look at Abbott Labs. Abbott is trading at 44.20, closed at 43.43. So good little uptick for Abbott Labs. This stock has had a good bounce over the last couple of days. Again, I'm not sure what it's going to do exactly at the moment, but I do think some temporary lows are in for Abbott. We'll see where it goes today. All in all, when I look at this stock, still got to get above the $45 level. That looks to be the real test. So again, we'll see it there. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, don't do much with it here. But we will be looking at this one once the opening bell rings today. Let's take a look at good old Yahoo. It looks like their deal with Verizon is going to close in June. Stock right now is acting pretty well, trading at 47.80, closed at 47.56. They did report earnings earlier today. Let's take a look at ASML. This is a chip player. And what you're going to see here is a Dutch chip player. Right now, this is trading at 132.54, up from 130.65. Good little move there. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, not much to do here at this stage of the game. But ASML with a nice little uptick. Take a look at Intuitive Surgical, ISRG. And what you're going to see here is that this is trading at $7.86 a share. Closed at $7.59. This is a new all-time high. If you own Intuitive Surgical, just trail the stop loss. Next stop is really 800. Not sure if it'll get there today, but that is ultimately where it wants to go. So again, Intuitive Surgical, nice little move here. Again, if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, not much you want to do with it at this stage of the game. Gold is getting hit today. It looks like gold itself is down about make that $7.90. Right now, gold, spot gold trading at $12.8630 an ounce. Let's take a look at the GLD, which is a good old important ETF. You'll see that is getting hit a little bit, trading at 122.27. Closed at 122.82 yesterday. So all in all, gold down ticking a little bit. We have crude oil today up about 3 cents, trading at $52.82 a barrel on spot. Again, if you take a look at the USO this morning, you'll see that that is trading at around 11 bucks. So all in all, gold is getting hit a little bit. Oil is pretty much flat. We'll see how this plays out. We're always looking at the oil and gold stocks as well each and every day. Once again, if you have not done so, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we're doing in there. Had another nice play yesterday afternoon. And again, we're going to look to hit a few more trades today. So again, come on over, take that 7-day free trial. You'll see what it's all about. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we'll see you on the charts.